Hello, my name is Ryan and I work for FanHandler, and today I want to show you how to hook up one of our FAC-120 controls. Alright, so we've got our white wire here representing our neutral terminal and our black wire representing the L1 or live. And so to wire up the FanHandler, to get it running, all you really need is the red and the black wire. Power goes in, power comes out. And it goes right in series with the neutral line of the motor. So you disconnect your neutral line from the terminal. You place the black wire of the control on the terminal. Then you take the red wire and you place it on the neutral line of the motor. And then of course you connect your ground. Last, we have the radio shunt frequency wire. So a lot of people have a lot of questions about this one and where to put it. All you have to do is to connect it directly to your L1 terminal for a 120 system. And I've got that kind of taped off over here. And just connect that up as like that. And then these wires, of course, are the sensor wires. So I'll show you how to connect up the sensor and we'll test it out. So wiring up the sensors are pretty straightforward. You've got a blue sensor for cooling and a red sensor for heating. Red sensor goes to the red wires. It doesn't matter which wire goes to which. Just wire nut them together like so. And the blue sensor wire nut together as well. All right. And then you'll take these sensors and you will place them in the delivered air. So they sense the temperature of the delivered air and ramp up the fan speed accordingly. You may have to use a little bit more wire to get them to where you need them, but that's basically how they're set up. All right, now that we're all wired up, let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it works. As you can see, the fan is spinning at a nice slow speed, very gently. And to ramp up the fan speed, I'm gonna place my hand on the heating sensor, so to simulate heat coming on. It responds very quickly. And as I take my hand off of it, it's going to start dropping back down as the sensor cools. And there you have it.